Hello everyone, I am Arjun, your math teacher. Today my topic is class 10th mathematics, chapter number first, that is real number. Before I have learned real number, I have learned what is number, what is number, what is number, what is number, what is number. Dear, what is number? So a number is a mathematical concept. A number is a mathematical concept which is used for counting, measuring, labeling and calculation of any quantity. Once again, a number is a mathematical concept and symbol which is used for counting, measuring and labeling and calculation of any quantities. Here a number is a number is a a number is a a number is a mathematical concept, mathematical concept and symbol which is used for counting, measuring labeling and calculations of any quantities, right? Here a number is a mathematical concept which is used for counting, measuring and labeling of anything. Or a number is a mathematical concept and symbol which is used for counting, measuring, labeling and calculation of any quantities, right? Then types of number, right? Types of number, right? Types of number. Number mainly, number is divisible by two types. There are two types. First is real number. Hence your chapter. And second is imaginary number. Right? Once again, types of number. Number is divided into two types. First is real number. Second is imaginary number. Right? Then now we have read real number and then imaginary number. So let us read what is real number. Real number, a number, first a number that is represented on the number line is called real number. Once again, a number which is represented on the number line are called real number. A number which is represented on the number line on a number line are called a real number. Right? And that's it means a group of numbers which is represented on the number line are called real numbers. It means a group of rational or irrational numbers are called real number. A real number is rational. Real number is a both. Real number is a rational and irrational number. Real number is a rational and irrational numbers. It means rational numbers and irrational numbers का जो ग्रुप होगा वो क्या कहलाएगा? रियल नंबर्स कहलाएगा. And second, all positive and negative number is real number. Right? So once again, a number which is represented on the number line are called a real number. It means real number is a both rational and irrational numbers. It means all positive and negative numbers is real number. For example, here a number line, right? It is neutrals, that means 0. Here 1s, 2 and 3 and 4. It is positive integers. Here 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It is negative integers. Here rational number 1 by 2. Here rational number 3 by 2 and rational number root 3. rational number √2. Here it is positive real numbers. It is positive real numbers. Positive real numbers. And here it is here negative real numbers. So you can understand what is real number, right? So let us learn what is imaginary number. So let us learn what is imaginary number. What is imaginary number? What is imaginary number? Imaginary number. Imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers. Here, what is imaginary numbers? Let us we have read what is imaginary numbers. First, a number which square is gives negative numbers. A number which squares give a negative numbers is called imaginary numbers. Here a numbers which squared gives a negative numbers called imaginary numbers. Is called imaginary numbers. Is called imaginary numbers. Right? For example, -1. That means iota. Right? That means iota. This iota we have learned in this chapter, in this class 11th and mathematics as a complex number. Right? So we have learned in this chapter real number. In this chapter we have learned real numbers. Now we have learned types of real numbers. Types of real numbers. Types of real numbers. Types of real numbers. You can know what is how many types of real numbers? There are many types of real numbers. There are many types of real number. There are many types of real number. There are many types of real number. There are many types of real numbers. First is natural numbers. Natural numbers. Second is whole numbers. third is integers, third is integers, fourth is rational prime numbers or composite numbers, for prime number and composite numbers, fifth is rational and irrational numbers, co-prime numbers, etc. So the real number is divided into many types of numbers. First is real number, first is natural number, whole number, integers, prime number, composite number, co-prime number, twin prime number, perfect prime number, rational numbers, and many types of numbers. So in this chapter we have learned natural number, whole numbers, integers, prime and composite numbers, rational number and irrational numbers, co-prime and twin prime number. So mainly we have learned natural number. So let us learn natural number. Rational number. Rational number. First is natural number. First is natural numbers. Right? A number, कह सकते हो, all counting numbers is called rational. All counting number is called natural number. All counting number is called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. It is natural number. And here whole numbers, and we have included 0 in the rational number are called whole number, and we have included starting with natural number, that is called whole number, right? Here integers, if the number between negative infinite to positive infinite, are called integers, right? The number between negative infinite to positive infinite are called negative infinites. And कह सकते हो a group of numbers which is negative numbers and positive numbers and 0 are called integers. And here positive prime numbers. It is basic introduction for real numbers, and because I have learned real number, there are many use in this chapter, so I have learned prime numbers. Prime number, a number which is only two factors. Are called prime numbers. First are called prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. And next composite number. Next composite numbers. Composite number. Composite number. The definition of composite number: the number which is more than two factors. The number which is more than two factors are called composite numbers. For example, 4 is the smaller composite number. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So, rational number. Rational number. Rational number. Rational numbers are numbers which is represented on the form of p by q are called rational numbers, where q is not equal to 0. Once again, a number which is represented on the form of p by q are called rational number, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are co-prime numbers. For examples, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 5 and etc. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. A number which is not represented in the form of p by q are called irrational number. For example, √2, √3, √5 and pi, so on. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. A number which SCF is a group of two numbers which SCF is 1 are called co-prime number. For example, the group of 2 and 3, the group of 3 and 5, the group of 3 and 4, it is also co-prime number. So, here the types of many numbers of real numbers. Now we have learned the fundamental mathematics. Now we have learned the fundamental mathematics in real numbers. Now we have learned the fundamental mathematics in real numbers. In real numbers. The fundamental mathematics of अरिथमेटिक कहो चाहे रियल नंबर ही ले लो, आपको पढ़ रहे हैं अरिथमेटिक तो अरिथमेटिक लिख दे रहे हैं, ठीक है। इसमें हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? We have learned the fundamental mathematics of arithmetic. First, all composite numbers is a factor of prime numbers. All composite numbers is a factor of prime numbers. For examples, 12, right? 12 is a factor of 2 into 2 into 3. the types of factorization, there are two types. First is prime factorization. The factored methods 12 2 less factors divided 2 6 are 12, and here 2 3 are 6, and here 3 1 are 3. That is the form of factor of 12. And second is the tree factor of the factorization. Tree factor, here 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, and 6 is a composite number. 6 is a composite number. Then 2 is a prime number, 3 is also prime number. Right? So it is the fundamental mathematics of arithmetics. It is the fundamental mathematics of arithmetic. Right? So let us, we have proved, let us, we have found out the LCM and LCM. So we have learned the relation between LCM and SCM. The relation between LCM and SCM, right? LCM means lowest common multiple and SCM means highest common factor, right? The relation between it is first number and second number is equal to the product of LCM and SCM. Right? So we have tell us the product of two numbers is equal to LCM and SCM. Once again, we have tell us the product of two numbers is equal to the product of LCM and SCM, right? For example, here two numbers 10 and 12. The factor of 10 is 2 and 5, and the factor of 12 2 into 2 into 3, right? So the SCF is the common factor is 2 and the LCM is lowest multiple यानी 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, right? So it is 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60, right? The answer is 60. Here we have examined the number in the relation between LCM and SCM. First, a number is 10, second number is 12, and the LCM is 60, and the SCM is 2. Right? 10 into 12, yeah, 12 10 ja 120, and 2 6 ja 12, here 0. So the relation between two numbers is examined up here, right? So in this chapter we have proved many irrational numbers. Let us prove root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is a irrational number. Prove that given होगा. Prove that prove that root 2 is a irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Right? So proof, we have proved that first we have assumed root 2 is a rational number. First let us we assume root 2 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Is a rational number. Right? So root 2 is equal to a upon b. Here a and b are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Right? Here a and b are co-prime numbers. Let us cross multiply root 2b into a. Root 2b into a. Right? Root 2b into a. Root 2b into a. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Square करेंगे हम. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Let us root 2 square करेंगे. Square to cancel out root. Here 2b square and a square. Right? Here b square is equal to a square by 2. A square by 2. 2 is multiple of b square, so 2 is divisible by a square. Here a square is divisible by 2, divisible by 2, so a is also divisible by 2. Also divisible by 2. Term equation 1. Right? Here we have no a square is the multiple of 2. So let a is equal to 2c. A is equal to 2c. Here b square is equal to, put the value of 2c, put the value of a in a square. So here a 2c upon 2 square. It means 2 2 ja 4 c square upon 2. Cancel out 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4. So b square is equal to 2c square, right? So c square is equal to b square by 2. Once again, b square is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. So b is also divisible by 2. Divisible by 2, right? From equation 2. From equation 1, from equation 1 and 2, 2 is the common factors of A and B, A and B, A and B. So because A and B, that is wrong. That's in wrong. Contradiction. Because A and B, because A and B are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Right? So root 2 is a irrational numbers. Right? Hence proved. Hence proved. Thank you. Have a nice day.